So what we have here is a Bosch Rotak 320 lawnmower, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen the blade. So this is the underside of this lawnmower, and this spanner will fit to this bolt which holds on to this blade. And I must warn you, doing it first time, it's really tight, really tough. I managed to undo it earlier ago, so it'll be easier to do for this video demonstration. So it's like this. So because I only have one hand doing this, and earlier ago I was using my other hand and foot to get this bolt going off. So this is how it's done, guys. Okay, so that's the blade out of a lawnmower, and you can see here the washer and the bolt here together, so that's needed earlier ago. And you can probably see why I decided to sharpen here is because look, it's getting a bit blunt here and worn out. So what you need is a filer to do the job, okay? So there you go. You can see the improvement, what I did here with sharpening it. Yes, that's a definite sign it needs sharpening, because we've had this lawnmower for at least 6 or 7 years, and yeah, best to sharpen the blade to keep it top performance, I must say. Now I need to just do the other side. Okay, so this is the end result. I must say I'll do a much better job cutting the grass next time I mow the lawn. Now we just need to get it back on. Okay, so putting the blade back on. So first you put this first on this way. Let me show you properly. This way, not that way. Like this. And put the blade like this way, so it's got the depression facing this way, not the other way. And you must put the washer on before applying the bolt back on. Okay, once you got the bolt back on, just use the spanner to put it back on tightly. I just use my fingers for now until the need for a spanner will come. Yep. Oh. Now for this, I recommend you use your foot with your shoe on to really tighten the bolt on it. It's a bit of a pain in the arse, but it's doable. Make sure it's tight as possible, but not too tight for the next time you want to replace the blade, or even worse, have to replace the motor if the motor burns out. I mean, this Bosch lawnmower, we had it for like 6 or 7 years, so it's done a really good job, I must say. So yeah, that's the end of the video on how to sharpen the blade of this lawnmower. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time.